One of the primary benefits of a digital library is the ability to quickly search all your resources to find just what you need. Logos provides everything from basic searches to highly advanced ones. In this video, I'll show you the basics of search in Logos. You'll learn how to search a resource or your entire library using a variety of tools. In Logos, you can search using 4 primary methods: the selection menu, inline search, the context menu, or the full search tool. Generally speaking, these 4 search methods advance in their complexity. Start with the selection menu defaults for simple searches and work your way to the full search tool for more advanced control. Let's examine the concept of God's love with these 4 search methods. The selection menu lets Logos guide your search from any open resource by quickly running the most likely search for any selected text. In any non-biblical resource, searching from the selection menu runs a basic search for the selected text. When you select a single word in any Bible and click Search, Logos runs a morphological search for the specific grammatical form of your word. Selecting multiple words in your Bible runs a Bible search. While you can fully customize the search after it opens, the default results should help you get started. When you search for the phrase, "the love of God," 2 sections display. The fuzzy Bible search contains smart search results that surface any verses related to your search, while the Bible results below show only verses containing the exact word-for-word phrase. With the other more advanced search methods, we'll find more precise results, finding all passages that contain the concept of God acting in love, even if they don't contain the exact phrase, "the love of God." The second search method, inline search, is best for simple searches in your current resource. If your resource is based on the Bible text, like a commentary, you can narrow your results by passage. Set the search parameters to 1 John 2 to limit your search to this section of the commentary. Provide a word or a phrase in the search input, like God's love, and press Enter. Anywhere your resource includes the words God or love will show. In this case, some 216 search results. Surround the phrase in quotation marks to return exact results. Of the 7 results that display, the commentator says that the love of God in verse 5 could describe God's love for him, love like God's love, or his love for God. Expand the search results to show the paragraph for more context. Stott goes on to say that he believes it's almost certainly right to take it in the latter sense here and to render the phrase love for God. Like with the earlier selection menu, the context menu helps you quickly access searches, but you have more control over exactly what you search from this menu. Right-click any word or phrase to access the context menu. It reads from left to right. In the left pane, tell Logos what you'd like to search. Depending on your selection and your resource, a variety of options display. For instance, the context menu for this English commentary provides limited options. Right-clicking the same phrase in your Bible, however, allows you to search the selected word, the verse, a variety of original language parameters, preaching themes, and more. To search the theme of God's love more generally, expand the preaching theme section and select God, Love. Under Searches, you can tell the context menu to provide the right syntax for you to run a more complex search. In other words, you get the benefit of advanced searching without needing to remember the details. Of course, if you know the search syntax, you could search for this directly from inline search, but the context menu does it for you. Finally, you can locate anything from the search tool. While you can keep your searches simple, the main search tool contains your most powerful search options. Depending on your Logos package, as many as 6 search types show across the top of the window. Basic search is a good default, and is especially helpful for searching your entire library. The Bible search is for finding words, phrases, or other data in your Bible, and the media search locates images, videos, and audio clips in your library. The clause, morph, and syntax searches are more advanced search tools that explore the original languages. Because you're examining the Bible, start by searching God's love as a Bible search. While this is a start, the results are too general and numerous to be helpful. Limit your search to the New Testament, and then expand the Search Templates panel to locate common search concepts. These search templates are the best way to learn how to search in Logos, as they help you locate popular search terms. Click a person in the Bible and add God in the search field. Notice that Logos finds any occurrence where God is mentioned, including titles like the Lord and pronouns. Add love and press enter to see verses that contain both God and love. As you use templates, you'll learn the best techniques for narrowing your search. For instance, the this near that template teaches you that adding near only shows verses in which both God and love are close to each other in the same verse. Add intersects in all caps to show when God acts in love. To quickly visualize which New Testament books describe God expressing love, open a chart displaying your results. Let's use another search template to locate every time Jesus speaks about love in the New Testament. Select a person speaks about something and add Jesus as the person and love as the word or phrase. Want to narrow the results to when the audience is the disciples? You can do that with the one person speaks to another person about something search template. These powerful search templates guide you to precise results so you can get the most out of Logos. In addition to these 4 basic search methods, many of your Logos tools help you locate items in your resources. For instance, Guide surface relevant resources, and the Bible browser lets you find verses that match any combination of filters. Searching ranges from the simple to the complex. From the context menu options to search templates and suggestions, Logos can help you quickly execute powerful and advanced searches without needing to know exact detailed syntax. Begin exploring your search tools to take full advantage of your Logos library.